What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps overheating issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all turn off unused features that you have enabled. So to do this, swipe down and from here you can turn off the unused features. Like if you are using Wi-Fi, then you can turn off mobile data. If you are not using Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth. If you have enabled hotspot, then turn it back off. You can turn off location and other features if you have enabled but you are not using. So disabling these features will help you to fix the overheating issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now here tap on the software version and then from here update the phone's software to the latest version if you have not updated. So after updating the phone's software, the overheating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps overheating issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.